The Pfaff Ambition 620 sewing machine has a great warranty. So there's 10 years on the machine for any defective parts. There's 2-year warranty on the electronics of the machine, the foot control, the power board and such. Speaking of which, if you've got this plugged into the wall of your house, that is probably not the best thing to do. Make sure you're plugged into a surge protector, but better yet, a battery backup. You can get that from like Best Buy or Amazon. Plug it into the battery side. Trust me, electronic items, sewing machines included, need to be plugged into those to protect those electronic items inside the machine. And then 1 year on your regular parts and labor through your local Pfaff retailer. So just keep in mind that if you are using this and there are parts here that you need to change and keep up to date. So like you need to clean it, you need to put a new needle in. There are things that can make things go smoother with the right needles, the correct thread, and so forth. But also, in a year, have your machine serviced from top to bottom. It'll make a difference for it lasting a lifetime. You can go over to pfaff.com and go ahead and register your machine and have your warranty all up to date through the Pfaff company. I'm also holding the manual, so I do love that you do get a printed user's guide. This is what we're going through, all the stages and steps, but it's kind of nice if you are a watcher and you like to listen and see. The manual is a great backup plan to read and look at pictures and remind you what you've learned so far. So check out the warranty information, and if you've bought this machine, make sure you register it online.